Your style, your brand, the ultimate 2025 guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Junaid from JakeWorld035, and in today's video, I'm giving you a complete roadmap on how to build your own personal style brand. We're talking about crafting an image that's not just about looking good, but about creating a statement, a vibe, a whole brand around your unique fashion sense. Building a personal style brand in 2025 is more than just picking out cool clothes. It's about storytelling, consistency, and connecting with an audience that resonates with your vision. I've packed this video with actionable steps, tips, and tricks that I've learned along the way. So get ready to take some notes. Let's dive right in. Define your style identity, the blueprint of your brand. The very first step, the absolute cornerstone of building your personal style brand, is to truly and deeply define your style identity. This isn't just about liking certain clothes. It's about understanding the why behind your choices. You need to ask yourself some fundamental questions. What genuinely inspires you? Is it a particular era in fashion, a specific subculture, the sleek lines of modern architecture, or the vibrant chaos of nature? Next up, let's talk about confidence. What kind of clothes, what specific items or silhouettes make you feel like you can conquer the world? When you try something on, how does it make you feel? Empowered, creative, comfortable, sophisticated? Then, consider the lifestyle you want to reflect, or perhaps the lifestyle you're aspiring to. Your style should be a visual narrative of your life. Are you a busy professional who needs chic yet practical outfits? Are you a creative spirit whose wardrobe is a canvas for self-expression? Your style should align with your daily activities, your values, and the overall image you want to project. To make this process more tangible, I highly recommend creating a Pinterest mood board. Start pinning images that resonate with you: outfits, color palettes, textures, accessories, even art or interior design that evokes the feeling you're after. Over time, you'll start to see patterns emerging, common threads that connect your pins. Another fantastic way to refine your style identity is to follow your favorite fashion creators. But here's the key: don't just aim to copy them. Instead, analyze what it is about their style that draws you in. Once you've done this initial exploration, try to distill your findings into 3 to 5 style keywords. These keywords are like your brand's tagline. Examples could be minimalist, classic, comfortable, or bohemian, vintage, romantic, or even edgy, futuristic, monochrome. Think of your style as your visual signature, something so distinctively you that people instantly recognize it. Ultimately, defining your style identity is an ongoing process of self-discovery. Build a signature look, crafting your recognizable aesthetic. Now, let's move on to the next crucial phase: building a signature look. When I say signature look, I don't mean you have to wear the exact same outfit every single day like a cartoon character. What it actually means is cultivating consistent elements in your wardrobe and presentation that clearly reflect your defined style identity. Think about it. Your signature look is what makes you memorable. It could be a specific color palette that you gravitate towards, perhaps a love for certain accessories like statement jewelry or unique hats, or even particular clothing cuts and silhouettes that flatter your figure and express your personality. The first practical step here is to choose your signature color palette. Look back at your mood board and your style keywords. What colors keep appearing? What hues make you feel your best and align with the message you want to send? Next, pick out your go-to silhouettes and accessories. What shapes and styles of clothing do you feel most comfortable and confident in? I also highly recommend creating 3 to 5 go-to outfits specifically for content shoots or important occasions. The benefits of having a signature look are manifold. Firstly, it makes creating content so much easier. Secondly, it helps you shop smarter. Consistency builds recognition, and recognition builds trust with your audience. Craft your brand message, more than just clothes. Now that we've talked about defining your style identity and building a signature look, it's time to delve into something equally important, if not more so: crafting your brand message. You see, a personal style brand isn't just about the clothes you wear or how cool your outfits look. At its core, it's about what you stand for, the values you want to communicate, and the impact you want to have on your audience. Your message is the soul of your brand. It's what connects with people on an emotional level. So ask yourself, what message do you truly want to share with the world through your style? To really nail this down, I like to use a simple formula. Your brand message = your niche, plus your values, plus your personality. Think deeply about what truly matters to you. Once you have a good grasp of these components, try to write a personal brand statement in one clear, concise sentence. This statement is your guiding star, keeping your content and your brand interactions focused and meaningful. This brand statement isn't just for you, it subtly informs all your content. When your audience understands your underlying message, they're more likely to connect with you beyond just the superficial level of appreciating your outfits. Remember, your brand message infuses authenticity into everything you do. Your message is your power. Wield it wisely and authentically. Chapter 4. Build your online presence. Taking your style to the world. Now it's time for the exciting part. Building your online presence and sharing your unique style brand with the world. In today's digital age, your online presence is your storefront, your portfolio, and your community hub all rolled into one. First things first, you need to choose your primary platforms. My advice? Don't try to be everywhere at once, especially when you're starting out. Think about where your ideal audience hangs out and what kind of content you genuinely enjoy creating. If you love making videos, showcasing outfits in motion and doing tutorials, then platforms like YouTube or TikTok are going to be your best friends. On the other hand, if your strength lies in stunning visual storytelling, high-quality photography, and curated aesthetics, then Instagram and Pinterest are absolute gold. Once you've chosen your platforms, consistency is king. This applies to your visual branding. Try to use consistent filters or presets for your photos and videos to create a cohesive feed that reflects your signature look and color palette. It also applies to your posting schedule. Your brand's voice and tone should also be consistent across all your captions, comments, and interactions. But building an online presence isn't just about broadcasting your content, it's about building a community. Engage, engage, engage. Reply to comments thoughtfully, answer DMs when you can, and ask your audience questions to spark conversations. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your life and creative process. People love to see the real person behind the brand. Don't be afraid to collaborate with other creators in your niche, or even in complementary niches. Remember, you're not just trying to amass followers, you're building a tribe, a group of people who genuinely resonate with your style, your message, and you as a person. Focus on providing value, being authentic, and nurturing those connections. A strong, engaged community is far more valuable than a large, passive following. Chapter 5. Create high-value content. Engaging and connecting with your audience. So you're online, you're consistent, and you're starting to build that community. Now let's talk about the lifeblood of your personal style brand, creating high-value content. It's not enough to just post pretty pictures of your outfits. Your content needs to offer something more: inspiration, education, entertainment, or a sense of connection. Think about what your audience needs or wants. Are they looking for practical style advice? Do they want to know how to recreate a certain look on a budget? Are they interested in learning about sustainable fashion brands? This could be in the form of style hacks, like how to tie a scarf in 5 different ways, or tips on how to properly care for delicate fabrics. Lookbooks and how-to videos are always popular. Beyond the practical, don't underestimate the power of sharing your personal journey. Why did you start your style brand? What challenges have you overcome? What are your style philosophies, and how have they evolved? Consider a variety of content types to keep things fresh and engaging. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable or raw at times. Think about the problems you can solve for your audience. Maybe they struggle with dressing for a specific body type, or they don't know how to build a versatile wardrobe, or they lack confidence in experimenting with new styles. When your audience feels seen, understood, and helped by your content, they will value your brand immensely. Ultimately, high-value content is about serving your audience. When you focus on providing genuine value, the growth, the engagement, and the connection will follow. So put yourself in your audience's shoes and ask, what would I find truly helpful, inspiring, or interesting? Chapter 6. Leverage and monetize your brand. Turning passion into profit. Now let's talk about a very exciting aspect: leveraging and monetizing your personal style brand. Once you've built a strong foundation and a loyal, engaged audience, there are numerous opportunities to turn your passion into a potential income stream. One of the most common ways to start monetizing is through affiliate marketing. This is where you partner with brands and earn a commission on sales generated through your unique affiliate links. Platforms like Amazon Associates, LTK, like Tano.it, or Share a Sale make it easy to find brands and products to promote. Brand collaborations are another significant avenue for monetization. As your brand grows and your engagement increases, brands may reach out to you for sponsored content. Beyond promoting other brands, consider selling your own products or services. This is where you can truly leverage your unique expertise and creativity. Perhaps you could design and sell a small clothing line or a collection of accessories that reflect your signature style. If you have a knack for helping others with their style on a more personal level, you could offer coaching or styling services to effectively funnel your audience towards these monetization opportunities. You'll need some tools. A link tree or a similar link in bio service is essential for directing your followers to multiple destinations. Remember, monetization should feel like a natural extension of the value you already provide. Continue to focus on creating high-quality, valuable content for your community and integrate your monetization efforts thoughtfully and transparently. Building a monetizable personal style brand is a marathon, not a sprint. Think of your brand as an asset, an entity that you are carefully cultivating, and explore the avenues that feel most aligned with your vision and your audience's needs. Your style brand journey starts now. And that's how you build a powerful personal style brand in 2025. Remember, authenticity is your superpower in this space. This roadmap is designed to give you a clear path, but the magic truly happens when you inject your own personality and creativity into each step. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and definitely comment below what your style identity is, or maybe those 3 to 5 keywords you've come up with. Your engagement means the world to me, and it helps me create more content that you'll find valuable. Thanks so much for watching.